Hello and welcome to today's video. If you guys didn't see the first part of this video, Jeffrey and I go to Trader Joe's and we get the ingredients to make the spaghetti, which is featured in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will put the recipe at the end of the video if you're interested in that. Because the meat sauce has to cook for about 3 hours, and it's almost 2, and because we live the life of an elderly couple, we eat at 5. We gotta get started on that. The first step is to brown the ground beef, and we're gonna do this a special way because we're gonna cook it on low on the smoker for 3 hours. That should give it a very nice, yummy, smoky taste. And this apron is supposed to be a giraffe because I get made fun of for my long neck. I had said that the first step was browning the beef, but it's actually sauteing half of an onion. We'll do that first, and then we'll brown the beef. Jeffrey did a keynote for Pampered Chef a little bit ago, and as a result, they sent us this cool little dicer. You just put it in there, and then you push it down, and the blade chops it up. So very helpful in this situation. Just like that, we have the diced up onions. I didn't even cry doing it because it was contained in here. So put that in the pan. The onions are beginning to saute. They are looking mighty fine. While I wait for the onions to saute and then the beef to brown, I'm gonna get all the seasonings and put them in the bowl. It looks super watery right now, but I'm gonna add all the Parmesan and seasonings in. Perfect. Everything's in there now. It looks super watery, but I think it will probably cook off for the most part. And it's time for the hard part, to get it out on the smoker. The sauce has been cooking for about 2 hours. What do we do in the meantime?
We went bowling and had the best games that we have bowled since the summer pass started earlier this week.
Yes, we did. In the second game, you got a 120.
I got a 120. Lindsay May got a 129.
Yeah, I got a 129. But I'm especially proud of him because he's trying to learn how to curve it. And so it's really impressive to get a 120 while you're trying to learn something. Like when I was trying to learn how to curve it, I would get like 13. So I'm impressed.
And I'm not going to lie, the learning curve on curving a bowling ball is pretty darn steep. I think the best thing about both of those games is Lindsay marked in 5 of 11 frames, and I managed to mark in 6 out of 12. So track your spares, track your strikes, and the score will follow.
And I think for the next hour or so, we're probably gonna relax. J.A., you gonna go play your game? He said he has work to get done. I'm gonna get started on editing this video. So Jeffrey just got this off the smoker. We brought it inside to let it stay heated while we finish making my bread. And we've got 2 different types of spaghetti noodles going on right now. Here's the sauce. It thickened up super nicely. It tastes amazing. And over here, we've got a little salad. So this is gonna be delish. Here is the final product.
I don't know what you're having for dinner, but Lindsay May and I, we're having smoked spaghetti with salad, and because Lindsay is a little thinner than me, she gets a couple of slices of garlic toast, again, out on the smoker. So can't recommend the smoker highly enough. And we had fun shopping for this together, cooking for it together, and now we're gonna head off to the movie room and start Ozark, which we're both super excited about, if for no other reason. When we first started spending time together, she would watch and I would watch simultaneously, but we weren't in the same space and we certainly weren't married. So we're going to start that all over again and enjoy it together. We hope you and your significant other are enjoying things together as well.
No pressure. It's only my grandma's sacred recipe.
Oh, your grandmother is amazing. And single. I should have thought about that.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the process of us making this meat sauce and Jeffrey's little taste test of it. It was amazing. And again, I'm going to put the the recipe right after this outro. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and consider watching this video right here, which is the vlog in which we went and got all the ingredients. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.